Lisa Hype was not like that before. Come on, you listen what me I say now, man. She was not like that. You know have to give and take, bro. You know just give and take. She was not. Listen to me. If when the worst thing on the planet happened to Lisa Hype, if when the worst thing happened to Lisa Hype, she was not like that. Come on. Listen to me. If when Lisa Hype was hype and young, 13 years ago, Lisa Hype is a young, fresh, clean virgin. And she was not. And she lose her fame, lose her career. Everything was taken from her because of one picture. And she never behaved like this. Come on, blood. Come on, make we be realistic. If when Lisa Hype was humiliated in the biggest way, she never make it bad her. Because she knows say her boss have her. Lisa Hype is the only one from the Gaza which part endorse Kartel larger than life. Lisa Hype is the only one which part look like she will walk out in front of a bullet for Kartel. So we have to go spin you, girl. We have to spin you and make you be the one who say. Listen now, man. Bro, if when Lisa Hype so cocky picture did out and she lose everything. Remember say Lisa Hype did hotter than the whole of them. All I female them, Lisa Hype was that bitch. And she lose everything. And she never behave like this. Come on, Jamaica, man. Come on, just make we be real. She lose everything. And she watch Vanessa Bling come take her space. Never behave like this. Black Rhino lose everything and watch Popcorn come taking space. Never behave like that. Javin she lose everything and watch other artists when in the Gaza come hotter than him and they never. Then disgruntled, but Lisa get it the worst and Lisa have never behaved like that. Come on, man. Only facts we attack. I don't know Lisa. I remember said nobody panic Gaza no like me, you know. Me are the one where they set up for Gaza people and eat. But let me tell you something. If there is somebody who is part of a talk with facts, a Khago, and Kartel and see them if you see them and say, you know that you they have him as a pussy hole, but actually in talk truth like myself. Listen. Lisa Hype was that bitch from the Gaza. Lisa Hype been through the darkest hours and never behaved like this. We not even did know say Lisa Hype a mad out from 2020 and Kartel the road. No. The hottest Kartel ever is. The biggest. The most money we ever come in our hand. When can make some Bamson and give Lisa millions. He can give every one of them millions weekly or monthly. And this is now Lisa behave that type of bro, no come on. Listen to me. And maybe it happened before, yeah. And she never behave like this, bro. Come on, man. Come on. Listen, one thing I can tell you, you see, man, when you sure know that God will provide for you, it make you can see things neutral. When you sure know that God will provide for you, you can see things neutral, bro. I understand, sir. Whether they like you, yes or no, Lisa, somebody pick me. And whether they like me, yes or no, me are God's children. So here what I go on now. And when it a go tap, when this a go stop, brother, Jesus Christ. Hey, who don't know science? Who don't know science? Jesus. Hey, if me tell you the sitting about science, who don't jump off our life? Tap up the screen, like and share. Make we get to 100. If me telling you something about science, all sound man link up, because you know things are here going for me, you know. If me telling you something about science, you run off of my life, and I say, what the fuck? Listen to me. We can't talk that. If me tell you something about science, Lord Jesus. Alright, listen. I know this girl, see? And she said, Sabamsnan, she attacked to this boy. She attacked to this man, you know. But it's our friend first attack to the man. And the man have a nice little car. So call you say a 2 friend and 2 girlfriend. And the 2 of them are hide. This is one of them with the man, but the next one are hide and till the next one we are hide, take it away. And the next one we take it away, go a bathroom for bed. And Duppy just come in her bathroom and slap her, kill her. In her bathroom, she dead, foam up like a red stripe bear. Family members say we not take that so. For your daughter dead back. Me just attack light. But this is personal. And in a 1 second, when that much dead back go, boof back. And that dead back. And the 2 of them are neighbor. Bro, you better behave on yourself. That is something when me know personal. Did you hear me just say a while ago? Did you hear me just say a while ago? Because of 1 man and the 2 of them are friends. You there with the man first. And the other girl take a brush off a man and the man must say love you brush and start talk to that one them more serious. Because it is family to me. Boof! Slap on my cousin kill it. If he are dead back. Boof! No time. Spiritual warfare, slap about that killing. You know better behave with yourself. You know play some game where you don't want to win the prize where it come with. You know better believe. You see down with spot, you see and ball come from dangerous place. Down where you see and ball come from is a dangerous place. I am telling you guys, listen. Bro, slap away my cousin over man. Lesser than 2 days, slap way back for your side, 2 of them bury. Anybody can tell you, if you come from there, you will know. Listen to me. Down where you see and ball come from You will see one nice little girl today. And by next week you see her with one big sitting under her throat, then give her jackfruit neck. And when you ask what do her? No, because she did that fuck Miss Matthew, Miss James' husband. When you tell me say a lie, me I tell. You will see all one man this morning. And you say, you see him with one big sitting pan in foot, but last week he never have it. And you say, yeah man, jackfruit foot then give him because he go over a man go chop him and cane. Bro, serious place. Down at Chilani, Wakefield, Bungazil, Pero, don't rap with that place. Me a talk, me used to live down there. Me live everywhere. I live down there. If you want to know where Obeah rail, I slap this up, please. When you say you don't find down the soul food, ask them if I lie, me I tell. Soul food, just be honest to God. Tell them, say, if Khago ever tell you one lie, he not tell this and a lie. Wakefield, Bungazil, Pero. This side, Chilani. Me not tell you no lie, bro. I witnessed that. You hear? Those places are dangerous. Spirit depend her. You know better me case and carry out. Kartel. Just forget about how me a beat and stand bad. And just take me foolish advice. Please, if I want more good left in you, and a Dr. Lisa Hype want. Lisa Hype get the beat where they want to give you. Lisa Hype get the beat in which part they want to give Sean Storm. You hear? She a get one beaten because fool spirit stronger than fear. Help her. You hear? If I want good left in you, just take it for that dirty boy. When you see she a go on with, then set her for go on so. Remember Kartel to Lisa Hyper, she never move a muscle. You hear? Just, you don't have to look, when you got hear that video, you don't have to look for me, just listen to my voice and say maybe a bounty killer attack or beanie. You don't have to listen to see a dirty Khago, I said the right, I said the facts. I beat them again. Then kick the ball and I no fear net to score. But just understand, say that beat here, I no fear, I fear. I feel beaten, but a weaker link. You see, just like how you me did want to get beaten over Sting. I mean, no, me can't catch you, me can't catch Sean Storm. See him exact thing. God. Yeah, I see a thing, man. Just give Lisa Hype. Want help? And set somebody beside her to take care of her. And that mad pill injection, that she want, that I go mad her. Mad woman that. But I know mad woman. Then set her.